The March Fitness Challenge is up. This month's challenge is about everyday life. The routines this month will help you build strength, flexibility, mobility, cardiovascular health, and everything you need for your activities of daily living. Things like sitting and standing up, standing for long periods of time, walking, picking up and carrying things, hand health like opening up jars, things that we tend to take for granted but are actually really important for our quality of life. You'll be doing 5 videos per week. On Monday, we have cardio steps for everyday life. This routine will help you get your daily steps in, but it's also designed to strengthen your joints and muscles and improve your cardiovascular endurance. You'll be moving laterally, side to side, taking big steps, small steps, quick steps. We're doing things to get your body back into action for everyday life. Tuesday is also my favorite one. This is your balance day. This routine will help you improve your balance. We're not just going to be standing on one leg the whole time. We'll be doing a lot of exercises to strengthen the muscles involved in better stability. It's a lot of fun. Wednesday is probably the most important day. This is your strength routine. We'll be doing exercises to strengthen your lower body, your upper body, your shoulders and arms. It's not about bodybuilding, and we're not going to be pushing anything heavy. This is all about carrying your own body weight, as well as being able to do everyday things like picking up light objects, pushing, sitting and standing, and reaching over your head. Strength for everyday life. Thursday, you can choose to rest or recover, or you can do a light walk. If you live where I live and it's storming outside, you can do my indoor walk routine as an alternative. Friday, we're going to be working on your hands, feet, wrists, and ankles. This is so important for everyday life. Unfortunately, a lot of us neglect this. Especially if you're sedentary, these parts of your body tend to get weak over the years. If you don't get up much, your feet and ankles are not doing the work. And if all you do is scroll, tap, and click, your hands will lose its strength as well. So this one is an important day. Saturday is our mobility day. Mobility is life, and the goal is to get your joints and muscles back to its natural range of motion, or at least to improve it so that your quality of life improves as well. And Sunday, you're gonna rest, walk, or do the indoor walk routine. If you're a member, it's available to you right now at justinagustin.com or on my Justin Agustin Fitness app on Apple and Google Play. To know what exercises to do each day, it comes with a digital schedule or a schedule that you can print out and tick off as you go. Once you finish the challenge, don't forget to send me a selfie of you with your schedule for a chance to win a membership renewal for you and a friend. Congrats to everybody who completed their challenge last month. I'm so proud of you.